Hi everyone. Today I will talk about the conspiracy behind the pandemic because many people think that COVID is a false disease, but I think it's a real disease. But quarantine is not the correct answer to the problem. Like the title say, bad response to COVID. Why do I think the pandemic is a conspiracy? There will always be diseases. How we all know, the body, it has their own defense. And when the new virus invades our body, the body tries to create new defense. And this pandemic is causing the economy to drop into incredible levels. And quarantine is not necessary. And the people to because how I say the economy is dropping to low levels, the people to remain the people is in troubles to remain the same state of economy or lower state of economy. What is the reason other people should have taken health measures and continue with their lives, focusing only on protect people who have low defense against the COVID. And how I say the true point protects the weakest. Make a plan, have sanitary measures, use healthy people to find a cure and combat the pandemic. This is similar to a disease in the 18th, when people think that SIDA as a fake disease or a disease that is spread only by contact. But at that time, the people didn't have collective hysteria like this time, and their thing is only a mortal disease. But if you prevent that, you will be healthy, and that's all I want to say. It's real. Well, bye bye, teacher.